Hi guys, and welcome back to another Dafty in the Garden video. Today we're going to be doing something with a weed wand. Now, I've never bought one of these before and I've just bought one. I want to try it out. Now as you can see, I have a lot of weeds in between these stones. I have tried a lot of things to try and get rid of them. I've tried salt in between the cracks at winter when they're all died down. I've tried brute strength, scraping them all out, cutting them back. Weed killer, I'm not a big fan of. But what I'm doing today is the weed wand and just trying to burn them. So I thought, since I'm here, we can actually do this together and you can see the result. Now, safety is key, so if you're going to do something like this, please be safe. Make sure you're a responsible adult, make sure you're doing it right. Let's get on with this. So this is my weed wand and we'll have a look at see how quick or how easy this is to use. Now, that is a small area and you can see that is taking absolutely forever to actually do. Now it has been raining today, so that could be just the fact that it's a wee bit damp and it's not really doing much. So we'll have a wee look closer up of what has actually happened there, and we've got a drier part because it's under cover, and see if that gets it any better. So this is what it's done so far, and as you can see that's quite pathetic in my eyes. So what we're going to do is take it to a little bit of our drier part since it has been raining today, and we'll take it to maybe this part here. So what we'll do is we'll get you set up and we'll have a look at me doing this part here. So that is with no other scraping or anything like that. That's just with one side it was raining, so quite wet, and the other side with being a cover a little bit drier. And I think the drier stuff worked a little bit better, not much though. It worked a little bit better in the fact that I felt that I could actually do a little bit more in a certain amount of time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try scraping a bit of it out, try and get as little as possible in between, and then try again. Firstly, we're going to try this tool here, and after we try this tool, we'll try burning that section. So again, not really doing much in the wetter area after scraping out. So let's try maybe that in the drier sections. Basically, it looks like yesterday I wrote off the burner a little bit too quick and I was probably doing it wrong. So I went and got the instructions to find out if I was doing it wrong or something. So let's read through the important parts. Okay, so never use the burner near mulch, bark, dry timber, grass, dried leaves or other flammable materials. So quite obvious. The weed burner is not suitable for flower beds or lawns. I wouldn't want to do that to my garden anyway, so again quite obvious. Burning weeds by applying heat to non-toxic, environment-friendly ways to destroy unwanted weeds in rocky paths, pavements, edging, stone path, etc. Exactly what I want to do. Exactly what I want to do. Okay, so the burner should be moved around gently. The aim is not to burn the weeds, but to heat them up with the tip. Okay, so that's what I was doing wrong yesterday. I was trying to just burn the entire weed away. So that was wrong. What I need to do is just heat them up. So the weeds burner must be kept at least 15 centimeters away from the weeds at a 45-degree angle. Kept away from animals and other people, quite obvious as well. Stronger woody weeds such as grass roots and things like that, you need to expose to heat for longer periods and may have to run over them again. So I think that's what I'm going to have to do, is run over these weeds a couple of times with this and run the weeder over more frequently and try not to just burn the weed away. And let's try this again. But right now the rain has came on, so I'm going to be putting this off for now. Now that that rain's off, let's have another go at this. So this is what we've got so far, right? And that is a big difference from what it actually was. There is still quite a lot of growth there and things like that, but what a difference it is from point A at the beginning of the week to now. My first review on it, the first day, I wasn't that happy. Then a couple of days later, I actually can see the results. So I hope you actually enjoyed that video. I know it was a bit of a review, but if you did, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video if you thought it was useful. Now, that's a Dafty in the Garden with another Dafty in the Garden video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!